Hello student. Today we are going to learn more about senses, the continued part of a 5th class EVS, that is super senses. Today we are going to learn about super sense of sight. So eyes, why we need eyes? Sense of sight. What is the use of that? We can judge depth, allow us to see, interpret new information, identify colors and things. Is that right? We can identify everything around us through our using our eye. Correct? Okay. Let us see. What is this? Oh, bird which has eyes in front of its head. As human being, as we have eyes in front of our head. Correct? So eagle, owl are such birds which has eyes in front of its head. Correct? Can you identify more birds like this? If you identify, you have to write it down in your book. Next question. Birds which have eyes on either side of the head. Like we have ears, no? Like that, birds have eyes on either side of the head. Let's see. Oh, pigeon. See? Either side. Correct? Either side. One left side, one right side. Correct? Either side of head. Pigeon, hen, sparrow. This is parrot. So many birds' eyes are on either side of a head. Okay. Let's see. What is the use of the position of eyes in the head? Binocular vision means both eyes focused on the same object at the same time. That means eyes in front of its head. Okay, in front of its head, it means binocular vision. We see only one object, same object at the same time. Like human being, we are seeing so many objects at one, but while we seeing one object, we are seeing at a particular. Correct? We are seeing at a particular object. The eyeballs moves coordinated. Eye movement is coordinated. Once we move left side, both eyeballs moves at left side. When we move at the right side, both eyeballs moves at a right side. Is that right, children? Correct. So that means a binocular vision. That means binocular vision. What is the use of this binocular vision? They can spot or catch a small prey. They can catch the vision of that very finest vision they have. So they can spot and catch a small prey for a long distance. They can see around from 8 meters, from the distance of 8 meters, they can see some prey. Okay, we can see only a 2-meter distance. Okay, we can see from the distance of 2 meters, but that binocular vision is there, no? That has a God gift to them. So that is they can see things from the distance of 8 meters. Example is owl, eagle. That are the example for that binocular vision of eye. Focus. The focus is finest focus they have. Next, monocular vision means each eye is focused on different object at any particular moment. That focus, one eye is in the left side, one eye is in the right side. Correct? One eye is in the left side and one eye is in the right side. So they can see different objects at any particular moment. They can see left side object and right side object at one time. Correct? Example, parrots and pigeons. You know that. What is the use of that? Having different kinds of vision helps different kind of birds survive in the wild. That helps. Okay, they helps to survive from the wild. Okay, they helps themselves, they protect themselves from that monocular vision. So next, what is that? Do animals see colors? See, we can see so many colors, correct? This do animals see colors? That is in black color, correct? We can identify so many colors: blue, gray, violet, indigo, orange. So many colors we can identify. What about animals? Do they have higher color vision or poor color vision? Let us check about that. Okay, see, dogs, cat, mice, rats and rabbits have very poor color vision. See, they have a very poor color vision. In fact, they see mostly grays and some blues and some yellows. The color related to gray color, blue color and yellow color. See, this is how we see. This is what humans see. See, they say they can see so many colors, correct? Red, violet, purple, blue, green, brown, correct? They can see so many colors. What about dogs and cats? See, they can see like this. They are seeing like this. This image is what we see. This image what dogs and cats see. They see blue color. See, they can see blue color. Then some yellow color they can see. Then other than that they can see a gray color. Okay, so many differences are there. Okay, next. Oh, one of the interesting question. What about bulls? Does a red cloth makes them angry? Does a red cloth make them want to attack it? Do you know the answer for that, student? See, this is what humans see. See, we can see red color, black color, one human being is standing there. So this is what we see, correct? We think that the red color make them angry, correct? What about them? What about bulls? This is what a bull see. See, the color vision is, bulls are color blind. They can't see a color. They can only a black and white. They charge the red cloth because it is moving. They attack that red color because that is moving, not because it is red. Okay, because that red color cloth is moving, so they are attacking it, not because it is red. Oh, we came one activity. Okay, what is an activity? Write the name of 10 animals whose ears can be seen, like us. Write the name of animals whose ears are bigger than our ears. Can you write this one? Write it quickly. Okay. Oh, what is this? Sounds send messages. You know what is messages, right? See, sounds send messages. What is mean by that? Let's see. High up on a tree, the langur warns other of dangerous like tiger. The langur does this by making special warning call. Langur can climb the tree. They are some kind of a monkey only. That langur can climb the tree. They go or high upon the tree. So then if they dangerous animal, if attacking them, correct, then they give a special warning call to protect themselves, to protect their family, to protect their friends. They make a special warning call, that is a sound send messages. Okay, not only that, langurs, even birds also have some kind of alarm call to warn them about the danger, to protect themselves. Even fishes give alarm calls by electric signals. Okay, by electric signals. Oh, next one is sleeping. Do you like sleeping? I love to sleep, children. I love to sleep. What about you? Okay, let's check what it is. Some animals go into a long, deep sleep in certain seasons. Okay, then they are not seen for many months. Why it is so? Okay, here is one question. Have you noticed that during the cold season you cannot see any lizard in the house? Where do you think they have gone? Can you give me the answer? I checked this one already. Have you noticed that? Have you checked that one? See. Yes, I have noticed that, because I have noticed that, children. So I write it down like that. So that lizards are not seen during the cold season because they must have gone for long sleep at a warm place to escape cold. To escape cold, they gone for long sleep in a warm place, at a warm place. Okay. See, this one is activity. Okay. Shaded portion is equal to sleeping time. Okay. So, the cow shaded part, python, giraffe and cat. We have to calculate how many hours they sleep. So from this to this it is 6 hours, means one portion is 2 hours. This portion is 2 hours, this portion is 2 hours, this portion is 2 hours. Totally how many hours? 6 hours. So first one, for cow, number of shaded part or shaded sector is 2. Is that right? 1 and 2. So sleeping time of cow is equal to 1 sector is equal to 2 hours, right? 2 sector means 2 into 2. Is that right? So 4 hours. Totally they go for sleep is 4 hours. What about python? The shaded part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 into 2 is 18. Correct. Totally 18 hours they goes for sleeping. What about giraffe? Only 2 hours, children. Only 2 hours. What about cat? Is 12 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 2 is 12. Understood? Okay. See, now learn more about one animal, that is tiger. Okay, what is that? A tiger can see 6 times better night than most of us. In the dark we can't see anything, right? But a tiger can see 6 times better than us in the night time. The vision is so fine. Is it? The vision of tiger is so fine. Next one. A tiger's sense of hearing is so sharp that it can make out the difference between the rustling of leaves and the sound of an animal moving on grass. See, children, the ears of tiger can move in a different direction, and this helps to catch the sound from all around. They can make the difference. See, the hearing is so sharp sense of hearing. They have sharp sense of hearing. Is it? So, next one. The tiger's whiskers are very sensitive. Whiskers means that this hairy part is there, no, in near to mouth, that is one whiskers, are very sensitive and can sense the movements or vibration in air. They can sense the vibration in the air itself. Okay, they help the tiger move in the dark and find its prey. See how wonderful it is, no? Next, tigers make different sounds for different purpose, like when it is angry or to call out a tigress. It can also roar. Its roar can be heard up to 3 kilometers away. See children, 3 kilometers away we can heard a roaring sound of tiger. Do you know that today many animals are killed and their parts are sold? Elephants are killed for their trunks. Tigers, crocodiles and snakes for their skins. Deer killed just to make a little scent from its musk. People who kill animals are called hunters. Hunters. Is this good or bad? Why we are not conserving our wild animals? Why we are killing that one? Is that right, children? You have to answer me. See, number of tigers and many other animals in our country are reducing. There is a danger that some of them will soon disappear. To protect the animals, our government has made some forests are protected areas. Some of them are Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand and Ghana in Bharatpur district of Rajasthan. In these areas, nobody can hunt animals or destroy the jungle. Nobody can hunt animals in that protected area or destroy the jungles. If you do that, if anyone hunt animals in that area, that is not good for them. Okay, next. Student, please find out, okay, where are other such national parks in India? Where are other such national parks in India? You have to identify and you have to write it down. Collect information on these. About national parks, you have to collect the information and you have to write a small report about national parks. Why we need national park? Like that you have to write it down. This whole chapter, we finished a whole chapter. This whole chapter is about senses, super senses of animal. Every animal has its own super sense. Is that right? Some has a finest hearing. Some animals can they see from far away. Some can hear even finest sound. Some animals can find their friend by their smell. So the amazing sense, correct? Instead of that, along with that, see, nowadays you heard about hurt animals, animal killers, or animals who abuse people who abuse animals, right? You heard about that. You have read it out. You already read about that in a newspaper or you heard from newses, right? Is that right, children? Human beings capable of experience sufferings and joyness or any senses, feelings they can experience. as human being, even animals can also capable of experiencing it. So don't harm them. Okay, don't harm animals. The main policy is live and let live. Okay student, live and let live. Wildlife, whole wildlife is a gift to us. Okay, we have to take care of our wildlife. It belongs to us. So I hope children you understood these topics, and do the activity and find out the national parks in India and collect the information